Hey there, natural remedy seekers. Today, I'm diving into the world of herbal oils, and I'm excited to share with you 5 amazing infusions that you absolutely need to try. These aren't just your everyday oils. They are power-packed with benefits that can enhance your wellness in ways you've probably never imagined. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about lavender oil. Known for its calming properties, lavender oil is perfect for those of you looking to unwind after a long day. Creating this infusion is quite simple. Just soak dried lavender buds in a carrier oil like almond or coconut oil for about 2 to 3 weeks, shaking the container gently every couple of days. The result? A soothing oil that's great for reducing anxiety and improving sleep. Moving on, we have peppermint oil. This one's a game changer if you need a pick-me-up. To make peppermint oil, follow the same process as lavender, but use peppermint leaves instead. This zesty oil is fantastic for enhancing mental clarity and soothing digestive issues. Just a whiff of peppermint can refresh your day instantly. Next is rosemary oil, a personal favorite of mine for boosting hair growth and improving memory. The infusion process is similar, but I like to gently heat the oil and rosemary leaves for a few hours to speed up the infusion. Cool, strain, and it's ready to use. Massage it into your scalp for a healthier mane, or inhale it before a study session to sharpen your focus. Number 4 on our list is chamomile oil. If you have sensitive skin, this one's for you. Chamomile is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. For this infusion, use the cold infusion method we discussed and let the chamomile flowers work their magic. Apply it to irritated skin or use it in your evening bath for a soothing anti-inflammatory effect. Last but certainly not least, we have calendula oil. This oil is a powerhouse for skin healing and is especially beneficial for those with dry, irritated skin. The process is similar to chamomile, but I find calendula works best when infused under direct sunlight. Place your jar on a sunny windowsill and let the sun do the work. Use it to soothe eczema, reduce scars, or simply moisturize your skin. And there you have it. 5 amazing herbal oils with fantastic benefits. Each has its unique preparation method and uses, making them a must-try in your natural remedy toolkit. Don't forget, the quality of your carrier oil and the freshness of your herbs significantly influence the potency of your infusion, so choose wisely. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you're as excited as I am to start infusing your own herbal oils. Remember, it's not just about the end product. It's about enjoying the journey of creating something beneficial for your body and mind. Happy infusing!